So today is a hard lesson to learn, which is if your grill ever stays below 350 degrees, it's because it's in the safe mode. And in the safe mode, the Weber grill restricts the propane flow or the gas flow from your natural gas at a much reduced rate. So at that rate, even if you turn all the knobs on to max, the temperature would never go over 350. And as you can see right now, it's fine. It's at 400 because I actually reset the safe mode, and it's really easy to do on the Weber. All you have to do is just reconnect all your hardwares. So the valve, so turn off the propane tank first, and then take off the this little thing, reconnect it, and return it back on. And while you're doing all those, make sure all the knobs are turned off. So that way, the little safety thing in the connector here is gonna reset. And once that ball resets, it pushes the full amount of propane gas out into the grill. That's when you can get a much higher temperature for your grilling needs. So once you have it reset, as you can see, the temperature jumps well above 400. So if you have the safety mode, the grill will never reach above 300 to 350. I learned it the hard way today. I'm making my wife some nice New York strip, and it's Valentine's Day, and I was heating up the grill for over 20 minutes. The temperature never went up. That's why I found out, yeah, it's probably in the safe mode. Hard lesson to learn, but hopefully I can still make this meal taste good, since now I have reset, the safe mode. And hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did find this video helpful, please do hit the like button or subscribe, and I should see you in my next video. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, looks pretty good. Alright, so once everything's reset, the Weber grill is the best grill to have. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Take care.